Hey gang, welcome back to OPA'S Diecast Restoration. Today we're going to do the Tootsie Toy Mustang. Before we get started, if you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. As I said, this is a Tootsie Toy Mustang. There's not a whole lot to these, I know. It's in the details at the end that always makes them shine. Start by grinding off the little burr at the end of the axle. Get the wheels off. My original plan was to paint it up like Steve McQueen in the movie Bullet, but I thought I'd stick with the original color and then add the details at the end. Get it into our favorite stripper. There's only about 50% of the paint left on this little die cast. Shake it, don't break it. Here it is right after the stripper and a good wash. And this is after the wire wheel and a good wash, or wash, depending on where you're from. Get our primer on. I'll be sure glad when I get some money together and able to buy my very own spray booth. Color Best Match Competition Orange by Tester. The axle cleaned up. Right, dummy. You gotta tighten it up in the drill shop. Wash the wheels. I lost the footage of after they dried, me putting on a little tire wash. Marty method, referring them over. Because these axles are so old and thin, I had a little problem here at the end on this axle. Don't catch it. Ended up pushing down too hard, bent the axle. Had to straighten it out. Start all over again. But she rolls really good. Here's what we started with. 60s era Tootsie toy. Well play worn. Missing half of its paint. Here's what we ended up with. Tootsie toy Mustang. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. For now, this is OPA saying goodbye.